Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's guide, guys, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can fix, a locked Cash App card. So let's actually get started. So first things first, of course, you want to open up the Cash App on your mobile device and just log in. So once you're on the home screen, you want to tap on the card icon at the bottom to access your Cash card settings. And if your card is locked, you'll usually see a notification or a toggle indicating its status. You want to tap on it to view more details about why your card is actually locked. Often, cards are locked for security reasons, okay? And what's going to be happening, guys, reasons like unusual activity. So to resolve this, yeah, guys, you need to follow the on-screen prompts that they actually will be giving you, which may involve things like verifying your identity, and you may actually need to upload a valid ID or just confirm your recent transactions. And for manual unlocking, guys, what you can do is you can navigate to the support section in the app, tap on your profile, scroll down to support, and then you're going to have to select Cash Card Locked. Follow the instructions provided by support team, guys. And if you don't see an option, guys, to unlock your card in the app, you want to reach out to Cash App support directly. They're available to assist you, you know, in resolving the issue promptly. And that's it, guys. Your Cash App card should now be unlocked after you follow these steps. And guys, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified the next time we upload here on Frequently Asked Questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.